Go Work Staffing, General Policy and Safety Training. Welcome, safety is our priority. This training outlines essential safety rules to protect all temporary employees and ensure OSHA compliance. General safety. Follow all safety rules in shared work areas. Wear required PPE, glasses, gloves, and boots, and inspect before use. Keep your work area clean and report hazards immediately. Know emergency exits, first aid locations, and procedures. Follow all job-specific safety guidelines such as using tools properly, follow lockout and tagout procedures, practice safe stacking and lifting, watch for moving equipments, know passengers or overloads on forklifts, and secure loads safely. Behavior and conduct. No horseplay, running, or distractions. Report unsafe acts and near misses. Do not work under the influence. Limit cell phone use in work areas and follow company procedures. Safe lifting. Lift with your legs, not your back. Keep loads close to your body. Do not twist or lift above shoulders. Do not carry loads that block your view. Hazard communication. Read labels and safety data sheets. Use required PPE and follow handling procedures. Report missing labels or unsafe conditions. You have the right to know workplace hazards. Heat stress prevention. Drink water regularly and take breaks. Wear light clothing when possible. Watch for dizziness, confusion, cramps. Call 911 for heat stroke and cool the worker immediately. Infectious disease prevention. Practice hygiene, cleaning, and proper PPE use. Report symptoms and follow isolation guidelines as needed. Medical clearance required before returning. Incident reporting. 1. Get to safety. 2. Call 911 if life-threatening. 3. Report immediately to your direct supervisor or HR. 4. Seek medical care if needed. 5. Provide and submit all documents related to your incident within 24 hours. Substance abuse policy. Maintain a drug and alcohol-free workplace. Testing may occur. These include pre-employment, random, post-incident testings. Violations may result in termination. Emergency procedures. No exits, alarms, and assembly points. Follow evacuation routes and supervisor instructions. Confidentiality. Protect company and client information at all times. Do not share passwords or sensitive data. Report data breaches immediately. Harassment, discrimination and retaliation. Zero tolerance for harassment or discrimination. Report concerns to supervisor or HR. You are protected from retaliation. Anti-retaliation. You are protected when reporting safety or policy issues. Retaliation is prohibited and will be investigated. For any questions or to report an incident, please contact our Human Resources representative. Thank you for completing the General Policy and Safety Training. It is required that you confirm your participation by signing the Safety Training Acknowledgement Sheet located within your onboarding paperwork. Have a great day.